What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and yes, I'm not in the Lethal Garage right now. I'm actually Z28, CL11LE, Amazing Nova, an SS. There's another SS out there. I'm in the home of a lot of cars. If you guys don't know Gen 5 DIY, I am at the owner's house, Ofer. He is awesome. He has a lot of amazing cars. But the reason why I'm making this video, there is something going down in Las Vegas. You guys I got a little tip off of it. No one was able to tell me what it was, but there's some sort of dealer conference or some sort of dealer meeting happening or happened in Vegas earlier this week. And someone over on the Corvette forums is kind of leaking information, but not really. There's like, oh, there's two models that were rolled out. Both fronts had unique fascias. The LT and SS and the ZL1 all have unique front fascias already. It really just sounded like a Corvette guy who doesn't really know Camaros very well was commenting on the cars. So we do know that there were Camaros there, at least assuming if this guy's data or information is correct. Potential refresh Camaros were revealed in Las Vegas at this meeting. We don't know exactly what it was, but from what I heard, there was also driving happening. Now, the driving aspect that I heard did not necessarily pertain to Camaros. They didn't say Camaros only, but they went out to Spring Hill and they were able to drive some new GM vehicles. Now that could potentially be a new Corvette, that could be the new Camaros, I don't know. But there is information out there that GM did have something at Spring Hill. Whether that information is 100% accurate or not, I am not entirely sure. But what I do know is that if the guy was accurate, again, he could just be blowing steam up everyone's butt, but the information around the Corvette seems to all align. It may be happening. We may finally see a 2019 Camaro. Like I said actually, the video didn't even go live. I have a video recorded that will go live here pretty soon. This one's obviously gonna go live tonight. I'm shooting it on Wednesday. This is going live tonight. My next video that I shot was just more speculation and digging into what we know so far, which isn't a lot, but it's a lot of speculation. If you guys are interested, get ready to check it out. It's coming. But I am fairly certain GM is going to be revealing the refresh car in probably the next 30 to 45 days. It has to be coming. They have to get the plants. They have to start getting orders in. They have to roll this stuff out. Could I be wrong? Could they maybe skip 2019 altogether and it's a 2020? Probably, maybe. I don't know. But I'm a firm believer. The refresh car is a 19 model. They are going to be revealing it. We don't know exactly what the car is going to be bringing to the table. We don't have those details yet. It's all been speculation based on the spy shots. I have 1.5 million videos of that. You could check them out. You know, every time a spy shot came out, we dissected what we saw. But I do know the last set of spy shots looked like a mostly complete car, mostly finished. Had what looked like to be final rear tail lights, had final front lights. The fascia was still covered. We don't know. So there's a good chance that hoods are changing, good chance that the front ends are changing, maybe potentially new lights for individual models. I don't know. GM could be doing some interesting things. There's a lot of speculation and rumor mongering going around based on current sales of the Camaro. Yeah, I mean, they were off 25% in March. Does that mean their sales are bad? I don't know. If GM thinks they're doing good, they're doing good. But who knows? From the conversations we've had with Camaro employees or people working on the project, they have mentioned they've heard loud and clear. They need more options, better entry level V8. We don't know. We don't know what they're going to bring to the table. I hope they're going to bring some exciting new stuff. I really hope they come out with a new hypo car like a Z28 or a variant to the ZL1. Again, we don't know what it's going to be, but I will tell you this. If there's no Z28 in this generation and GM moves forward where they're at, cars like this one are going to be worth a lot of money. The last in a potential V8. If that's true, a Z28, which people argue weren't very good sellers, that's because I feel they overbuilt them the second year, these cars will become super valuable. In a world where gas motors only are starting to become obsolete. I mean, in our lifetime, we're going to be driving cars that have hybrid powertrains. And in my kids' lifetime, probably cars that don't have gasoline motors. That's all speculation as well, but if that's true, cars like this are going to be bars of gold to people in the car world. So either or. Let me know what you guys think. There definitely was something that happened in Vegas. It's either still happening or happened. I know it started on Monday. Our people arrived on Monday. Yeah, it's going down. 6th Gen refresh is coming. I'm excited. I would love to cover it in more detail, but just like you guys, I'm standing on the sideline, scooping up and lapping up all the information I can. So either or, hope you enjoyed this content. If so, hit that subscribe button. If not, likes, comments, shares are appreciated, even those pesky dislikes. But until next time, hope to see you on the road.